here we got a broken light switch frame. Obviously the switch will still work, but I just don't want that crack right there exposed. I'm not gonna put my hand there because obviously reasons. Let's go ahead and unscrew this. Make sure you. Okay. I dropped that screw, but I don't need to worry about that because I got a whole new light switch frame that has new screws. So, see, we have a new one. Just make sure it's the right size. Yep, it matches up with it perfectly. Put the screws in. Sorry about background noises. Screw this in. Alrighty. There we go. And there we go. There we go. The light switch frame has been replaced. Thank you for watching.